Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and on the right, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. It's a vacuum showdown, and only one can come out on top. Who will it be? Let's find out. First up, the Roborock Q7 Max, priced at $599. And the Eufy X10 Pro Omni, coming in hot at $799. For $799, Eufy better come with a personal butler named Jeeves, who serves me mojitos while it vacuums. But hey, let's see if it's worth the extra cash. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction. But Eufy decided to go full beast mode with a whopping 8,000 pascals suction. With that kind of power, Eufy could probably suck the soul out of your carpet. Makes you wonder if it's secretly training to be a black hole. Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. Eufy X10 Pro Omni takes it up a notch with its Mop Master 2.0, 180 rotations per minute, and 1 kilogram of downward pressure. Plus, it even lifts its mops 12 millimeters off the floor when it detects carpet. Eufy's like, is that a carpet? No problem. I'll just levitate my mops like a Jedi Master. Roborock Q7 Max uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation and lets you build a 3D map of your home. Eufy X10 Pro Omni features AI, see smart cleaning, identifying over 100 different objects, even at night. Plus, it has iPath laser navigation and customizable AI, Map 3.0. Eufy's so smart, it'll probably start judging your life choices. Oh, you left your shoes out again? Typical. Roborock Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, meaning less frequent emptying and refilling. Eufy X10 Pro Omni has an all-in-one station that empties its dustbin and washes its mop pads with heated air drying. It's practically a spa day for your vacuum. Eufy's like, I don't just clean your floors, I pamper myself while I'm at it. Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes and cover a maximum area of 3,229 square featuring. While Eufy prefers to keep you guessing with a 3L water tank that mops a 1,500 to 2,000 square feet home 2 to 3 times. Eufy's like that mysterious friend who's always vague about their plans. Where are you going? Oh, just places. According to Amazon reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max is highly praised for its mapping feature, long battery life, and customizable suction power, making it a reliable and efficient cleaning companion. On the other hand, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is celebrated for its strong suction power, self-cleaning capabilities, and exceptional performance on both hard floors and carpets, making it a top choice for pet owners and those seeking a hands-free cleaning experience. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Roborock Q7 Max is the budget-friendly powerhouse, while the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is the luxurious, all-in-one cleaner that might just replace your therapist. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.